Scientifically supported and interesting facts about cats. Cats can recognize human voices and emotions. Studies show that domestic cats, Felis catus, can distinguish the sound of their own names from other words. They also respond to the emotional tone in human voices and may interpret facial expressions at the same time, which suggests they can read our mood to some extent. Smell is a powerful way for cats to identify people. Cats can distinguish familiar human scents from unfamiliar ones. In experiments, they spent less time sniffing scents they already knew and more time exploring unfamiliar ones. They may even prefer one nostril over the other, depending on whether the smell is familiar or unknown, which points to possible lateralization in the brain. Cats see the world differently. Ultraviolet perception plus wide field of view. Cats can detect ultraviolet light, which humans cannot see. This means their visual experience of the world includes colors and contrasts we simply don't perceive. Their field of view is also wider than ours, about 200 degrees compared to a human's 180 degrees. Their hearing is extremely sensitive. Cats can hear frequencies from roughly 55 hertz to 79 kilohertz, far beyond the human range. This makes them excellent at locating prey and responding to environmental sounds. Because their ears can rotate independently, they can pinpoint the direction of a noise very quickly and accurately. Cats can behave like a liquid. A 2024 study showed that cats can adjust their bodies to move through narrow or irregular spaces, almost like a liquid. This flexibility indicates they are aware of their own body size and shape and can adapt to their environment in surprisingly advanced ways. Cats experience REM sleep and may dream. Cats have a sleep cycle that includes REM sleep, similar to humans. During this phase, you may observe twitching or leg movements, which suggests they may dream about hunting, playing, or other experiences. Cats form emotional bonds and can read human moods. Research indicates that cats form emotional and social bonds with humans. They can detect when a person is angry, sad, or happy based on vocal tone and subtle cues. Their relationship with humans is more complex than just food or shelter. They may seek social and emotional interaction as well. Memory and intelligence, including long-term social memory, cats have stronger short-term memory than we often assume. In experiments where the environment changed, they remembered the situation for a period of time and reacted accordingly. Their brains are complex and their emotional processing, learning, and social bonding can work differently from dogs, sometimes even more flexibly. Cats perceive the world in ways we can't. Their senses of light, smell, and sound operate differently from ours, which means they are not experiencing the same environment we are. What looks strange to us is often a natural reaction to sensory information we simply don't notice. Social and chemical communication, scent, expressions, and body language. Cats communicate using vocalizations, scent marking, facial expressions, and body posture. Researchers have identified dozens of distinct facial muscle movements that cats use to express emotions such as curiosity, fear, playfulness, or warning. Understanding a cat's behavior requires watching more than just meowing. Their body and face are constantly communicating. Why these facts matter: cats are far more complex than just household pets. Their ability to flow through spaces, perceive ultraviolet light, read emotions, and communicate through subtle signals shows they are deeply adaptive and intelligent animals. The more we learn about how they sense and think, the easier it becomes to build a stronger relationship with them.